Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add an email subscription to your website on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, email subscriptions can be done for a variety of things. Usually you're going to be adding them for newsletters and blogs and things like that. So I'm going to show you guys a very minimally invasive way in which you can actually put the email subscription function in your site, and that's going to directly allow your users to enter their email and get added to your mailing list. Then you can inform them about new blog posts, new products, etc., but without beating around the bush. The way that you do this is you choose whichever page you want to put it on. I myself don't like to do it on pages. I like to put it in the footer, and that then applies to every page on your site. So just choose whichever page you want and click edit. Now, if you wanted to add it to a page, just go to any section, click add block, search for the newsletter section, and then just add that. However, as I've mentioned, I will be going into the footer. So let me just scroll all the way down. And here, just click edit site footer, click add block, click newsletter, and now you can edit this however you want. I prefer to keep it as is. As you can see, people can enter their email address and subscribe to receive news and updates. And then once you've added this, click save and exit. And now you have your newsletter. Even though mine looks terrible and it's just terribly centered, people can here enter their email address and then become added to your mailing list. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.